Good morning students. Hope all are fine and safe at home. Before moving on to today's topic, let us recall what we learnt in the previous session. In previous session, you would have learnt about water cycle. Water is essential for life. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing and many other activities. Water exists in three forms and can change itself from one form to another by heating or cooling. The cyclic movement of water changing into water vapor and then back into water by continuous heating or cooling is called water cycle. The water cycle causes changes in the amount of water vapor present in the air, causing weather changes. Today, we are going to learn about weather. Children, have a look outside through your window. Is it hot and sunny or cloudy and rainy?
It is sunny, ma'am.
Yes. When you see out through your window, you can see what the weather is like today. The general condition of air around us is called weather. The weather of a place can change day to day. It may be sunny, windy, cloudy or rainy. Also, the weather of a place can change rapidly. For example, it may be bright and sunny with clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be dark and cloudy. Sometimes it may be rainy in the morning while you go to school. But in the afternoon, it may be bright and sunny. The changes in the weather are caused by the sun. The heat of the sun causes wind to blow and also causes change in the states of water. So, the change in the states of air and water causes weather changes. There are four types of weather. They are sunny, windy, cloudy and rainy weather. Let us see about sunny weather. On a sunny day, the sun shines brightly in the sky. It is hot during the day and cooler in the mornings and evenings. At noon, the sun is right above our head and its rays directly falls on the ground. This makes noon the hottest time of the day. On a sunny day, we can spend time outdoors by warming ourselves and playing games. We can dry grains and wet clothes in the sun. Here are a few tips to protect yourself on a sunny day. Wear a hat or sunglasses to protect your eyes. Wear light colored clothes to feel cool. Drink plenty of water. Play games outside and enjoy the sunshine. Children, let's recall the key points. Today we have learnt about weather and sunny day. The general condition of air around us is called weather. Changes in the weather are caused by the sun, wind and water vapor present in the air. There are four types of weather. They are sunny, windy, cloudy and rainy. On a sunny day, the sun shines brightly in the sky. Afternoon is the hottest time of the day. Mornings and evenings are cooler. So children, I hope you all understood about weather and sunny day. Do read this topic in textbook. We will meet in next session. Take care. Thank you.